Hello, aking mga ka-YouTuber. Ito si Mami Alona. Don't forget to subscribe. Ito ang aming breakfast ng mga seniors today. It's a typical pandesal. Kasama pa yung papel. Ayan guys. Tsaka may choices kami ng palaman. Peanut butter and cheesy. Siyempre, magnolia yan. Bekenemen guys. Bekenemen. Ito naman, Bekenemen SNR yan guys. At tapos ito naman guys, yung gumawa ako ng It's Mami Alona style of chicken tapa. Yan, di ba? Filet yan, guys. At saka, itlog na maalat, rice. And this time, yung coffee ko, decaf to eh. Kasi, alam mo, for health reasons, nilagyan ko ng maraming creamer kasi medyo mapait. Ayan, guys. At sa aking partner is black coffee. Ayan, nag-i-start na nga siyang kumain. That's all for the day. Don't forget to subscribe, Mami Alona.